Attention North Huron Wingham Fire. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire. Please respond to 78 Victoria Street West between Minnie and Leopold Street. Georgian Bay is called in at Community Living. Zone 2 fire smoke detector times 2 alarms. 78 Victoria Street West, the Community Living, Wingham Fire. Please respond. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire. Attention North Huron Wingham Fire. Please respond to the request of Georgian Bay Fire and Security to 78 Victoria Street West. That'll be between Minnie and Leopold Street. They're reporting a Zone 2 fire smoke detector times 2. That's 78 Victoria Street West, Wingham Station. Please respond.
Fire dispatch, car 3.
Go ahead.
Car 3 acknowledges the page out for Wingham Station to 78 Victoria Street West.
Roger that, car 3. You've acknowledged at 164302. Fire dispatch, car 3 call.
Go ahead, dispatch for car 3.
Roger, the alarm company just called back. They spoke with Connie Dawson on site. She's stating it was a false alarm, that all's okay. Smoke detector having issues. 2 more hits have now been received, and they're unable to authorize the cancellation.
Confirm that, dispatch. I'm just going to have an officer from the Wingham Station respond for a quick face-to-face.
Roger that. You're going to have a Wingham officer respond for face-to-face at 1644-24.
Wingham Station, car 3. Go ahead, car 3. Bravo, can you yourself or take somebody with you and just pop down and do a quick face-to-face as per their cancellation?
Yeah, roger that. Car 1's going to stop in on his way home.
Confirm that. Car 1 stopping in for a face-to-face.
Dispatch copies. Car 3, do you want a cancellation page or negative at this time?
Negative at this time. Thank you.
Roger that. Negative for cancellation page, and I have car 1 responding at 1645-44. Fire dispatch, car 1, are you on the air?
Go ahead, dispatch. North Huron, car 1.
The alarm company, Georgian Bay Fire, has just called back. They spoke with the key holder, Connie, who advised trouble with the alarm. However, this time now they're canceling the alarm, saying it's false. They've advised you've already been responding, just so you're aware.
Yeah, roger that, dispatch. You can mark me on scene.
Roger, car 1's on scene, 1648-47.
Fire dispatch, North Huron, car 1.
Go ahead.
Dispatch, I can confirm false alarm at 78 Victoria Street.
Roger, car 1, confirming false alarm at 17044.